Hey guys, it's Mr. Dugal, and today we're going to continue to talk about positive and negative correlation, no correlation, and we're going to integrate the terms linear and non-linear for the first time in this video. We're also going to continue with the line of best fit. So the first thing to talk about is our first example. You'll see that we have two units that might be connected. We've talked about how the word correlate essentially means a connection between two different units. So we're trying to discover, is there a positive connection, a negative connection, or no connection between turnovers and points scored in a basketball game? Another word that we have in addition to correlation and connection that you'll see sometimes is the word association. And correlation is just the same thing as association. So if you ever see positive association, negative association, no association, that means the same thing as correlation. So as we evaluate this, I start to notice that as turnovers increase, the amount of points scored are going down. And I'm going to draw a line of best fit, an estimated line of best fit right through the heart of the data. In this case, because one unit is increasing and it is turnovers, so as turnovers increase, points scored decrease. This means that I have a negative correlation, and because I am able to draw a straight line that has a slope, it is a negative linear correlation. For my second example, I have sales made for a restaurant as my x-axis and the cleanliness rating of the restaurant as the y-axis. You'll notice as sales made increase, the cleanliness rating of the restaurant is also increasing. This tells me that I have a positive correlation. There's definitely a relationship here. But as I go to draw my line of best fit, we'll notice that if I draw it through the heart of the data, it leaves out a pretty good chunk of data here. Close to half my data points aren't really connected to my line of best fit. But for all of the others, that line seems to make sense. So in this case, what would be more appropriate than a straight line with a slope would be a curved line to describe the data set. If this is the case, it still means that I have a positive correlation, but I have a positive nonlinear correlation. So that's the difference between a linear and a nonlinear correlation.